welcome back to Introduction to Microeconomics class with me, Miss Fera Widyanata, Lecturer of Economic Faculty, Sriwijaya University. This time, I'm going to explain about theory of demand. Let's go! So, what is demand? Demand is the amount of the goods that buyers are willing and able to purchase. When we talk about demand, we also talk about the demand curve. Demand curve is a graph of the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity demanded. This is the example figure of demand curve. The demand curve has downward sloping line as it relates to the law of demand. The law of demand claims that other things equal, the quantity demanded of a good falls when the price of the good rises. It means the lower the price of goods, the higher the demand for the goods, and vice versa. The higher the price, the lower demand for the goods. The quantity demanded depends on some variables such as 1. Income. If the customer's income decreases, the quantity demanded will also decrease. 2. Price of related goods. This relates to substitute goods. Substitute is two goods for which an increase in the price of one leads to an increase in the demand for the other. Substitutes are often pairs of goods that are used in place for each other, such as beef and chicken, coffee and tea, rice and corn. 3. Taste. In this part, we examine what happens when tastes change. 4. Expectation. Your expectation about the future may affect your demand for goods. For example, if you expect to earn higher income next month, you may choose to save less now and spend more on your current income buying clothes. As another example, if you expect the price of clothes to fall tomorrow, you may be less willing to buy clothes at today's price. 5. Numbers of buyers. Yes, market demand depends on the number of these buyers. For example, if I were to join you and you as another consumer of ice cream, the quantity demanded in the market will be higher at every price, and market demand will increase. Note that these variables also play a role in shifting the demand curve. Okay, that's all the lecture for this time. Thank you for your attention. See you in another learning video. Bye!